Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another thrift flip. We are again taking inspiration from the 90s runway. This time not a specific look, but a plethora of different looks to combine them together to make the perfect look. Let's get started. With your outfit on, you're going to determine where you wish to crop the jacket. We're going to go right beneath this first button and where to hem the skirt. We're going to bring it all the way up to here. Lay out your skirt flat and we're going to cut right above this slit line. Take out this inner slit and cut that an additional inch shorter. Next, we are going to cut the blazer right above the pockets. Sew the lining and the jacket together. Next, iron a folded under hemline. Sew the iron edge down. Repeat this process and iron down a hem on the skirt. First, sew down the interior lining. Now for the outer skirt, sew this edge down as well. Oh, you're done. To finish off my look, I accompanied it with a pair of vintage earrings and a bra top, just like they wore on the runway. You can shop this look today on my Depop Stitch Witch. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave any comments and suggestions down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks, bye!